Welcome back to the channel. Back on my '09 Fusion, doing ball joints. I had a little bit of a squeaking. Turns out ball joints, control arms, it was all basically worn out. If you look on YouTube, there's about 12 videos about how terrible these are to get apart. They are. This is not a repair I would really advise a home gamer to do. A little mechanical intuition and a good set of tools. This is probably a job to take to somebody with a good air hammer and a lift. Case in point, there is a brand new gear wrench ball joint separator. That is in 2 pieces. So, I ended up having to pull the bushing out on these. Again, search for other videos. This is not how to take it apart. This is you got it apart. How do you get your bushing back in? There's no room to swing a hammer in here. The easiest way you're going to do that, get yourself a bolt. About 1.5 inches long. Whatever size fits your bushing the best. Ta-da! Look at that. Look at that action right there. Just sucking it right in. And I'm holding a camera and doing it one-handed. So, that's the easy way to reinstall the bushings. You might want to put some sleeve retaining compound or 680 green Loctite, whichever you prefer. I'm not going to in case I ever need to do this again. I can get it apart because I don't have a torch. Your big nut on the bottom will hold it, so it's not like you have to worry about the bushing really going anywhere. So, I guess it can't really go down, but it can go up, but you have a nut. Don't worry about it. Thank you very much. Comment, rate, subscribe, all the stuff that you normally should do. Yeah, never mind. I'm not going to be one of those channels. Do what you want. Have a nice day. Go drink a beer.